Hey, Scott Grove here, and I'm at the JessEm booth, and they've got some new products that I just wanted to share with you. It's just game changer. It's really wonderful. So why don't you tell us about what you got here?
So this is the new JessEm router motor. There's a couple really cool features about this. So we have a fresh air intake. If you have our dust box and our hose adaptation system, it's drawing fresh air from fresh shop air and from the outside, so you're not getting any debris through the motor. It's keeping your bearings super clean, nothing coming through the motor. The way the air exhausts is also very neat. It blows out the side as opposed to most traditional routers who would blow up the top. What that does, it actually creates somewhat of a vortex and a vacuum, and it draws the air down and away from you. As like I said, most traditional routers would blow the chips up. It keeps your surface a lot cleaner, and you're not getting as much debris up in your face.
And aren't the tolerances on this really awesome too?
Oh, absolutely. So this is a taper gauge that we use to check our collet taper. So this is a tool I would use on our high precision CNC machines. So this is the standard. That's a perfect 0 right on. This is a standard collet in the industry right now. So when we check it there, you're looking at about 3.5 tenths out, thou, sorry. So we strive to be this, a lot tighter tolerance. So when we check our seat, it's absolutely bang on.
Wow.
So what we do is we machine the seat in house. We send it out to get surface hardened and heat treated, and we actually install it into each individual motor, and we grind each motor to tolerance. So every motor is perfectly concentric to each housing.
And it's balanced, so there's no run out, meaning the wobblier bits if you're doing, fine inlays and what have you, which I'm all about. Also, the speed and the sound. Can we turn this baby on?
Absolutely.
It's really quiet, right?
So we got a variable speed switch, 10,000 RPM. I don't even know if you guys can hear that.
Yeah, I can't hear it. It's just so quiet. I mean, this is nice.
So we can go all the way up to 22,000. One thing you could never do before is have a conversation with a router running.
Right, yeah, for sure. Right, we're talking in routers at 22,000. That's great. And these bearings are rated for 30,000, something like that? So they over-engineer the bearings, so yeah.
So we use angular contact spindle bearings. So these are very high-end machine bearings. So they're rated for over 30,000 RPM. So we're well within the range, and they're very rigid. So you can take super heavy cuts without almost no deflection at all.
Awesome. Okay, well, there you go. So that's the new JessEm router motor. Check it out, check them out, and thanks for watching. Okay, all right.